In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best torque wrenches available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the torque wrenches mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Allsome Torque Wrench. The Allsome Torque Wrench is ideal for car and bike maintenance, combining accuracy and flexibility in one tool. With a 3-in-1 square drive, it adapts to various fasteners, making it perfect for multi-vehicle use. Its fully adjustable torque range from 3 to 230 Nm ensures you handle light and heavy-duty jobs with precision. The wrench is crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel and comes in a blow-molded case for easy storage. At only $18.53, 60% off, it's a high-value tool every DIYer or mechanic should own. Number 4, LIXIU 1/2 Torque Wrench. The LIXIU 1/2 torque wrench is an essential tool for vehicle maintenance, offering smooth operation and professional-level results. Made from chrome vanadium steel, it's built for long-lasting strength and durability. The adjustable ratchet head allows precise tension setting, while the audible click and slight release at your desired torque provide peace of mind during use. Whether you're tightening bolts on a car or bike, this tool ensures you do it right. Priced at $32.75, 55% off, it's a must-have for any garage. Number 3, High Precision 5-60 Nm Torque Wrench. Perfect for modern vehicle maintenance, this high-precision torque wrench offers exceptional accuracy with plus or minus 3% tolerance. Its bidirectional function suits various tasks, and the quick-off design simplifies socket changes. Made from strong chrome vanadium steel, it's engineered to last. Ideal for bikes, cars, and other auto repairs, it ensures your fasteners are torqued to spec. At $18.32, 61% off, it's a high-precision tool at a great price, perfect for professionals and DIY users alike. Number 2, Shahe Mini Digital Torque Wrench. The Shahe Mini Digital Torque Wrench is a professional-grade tool designed for accuracy and convenience. With buzzer and LED alerts, you'll know exactly when the desired torque is reached. It supports 4 engineering units, making it adaptable for global use. Plus, it stores up to 999 records, ideal for repeated tasks and tracking. Its large backlit screen ensures visibility in any lighting condition. Now just $40.22, 57% off, it's an advanced torque wrench for those who demand reliability and smart features. Number 1, ARITER Torque Wrench. The ARITER Torque Wrench is a precision tool built for car and bike repairs. It features a clear clicking sound that signals when the correct torque is achieved. With laser-engraved values, readings are always easy to read. The quick-release ratchet mechanism ensures firm socket connections, and it comes with an individual plastic case for secure storage. Its versatile design suits multiple applications, making it a reliable tool. Now available at $24.94, 31% off, it's a smart investment for every toolkit.